Want to download paid software for free? Well, open your browser, then open the link given in the description. This is a website that I created. You can download paid softwares listed there completely for free. Just click on the software that you want to download and it will take you to the download page. Here, click on the first file and download a zip file. It will start downloading. After it is downloaded, open the file and follow the steps. Once you find the setup file, open and install the software. Here you go, enjoy and show us what you can create. If you want any softwares to be added, tell us in the comment section.